This is Holly Olson, and this is my web page to Adams County, Iowa. Here you see we have the home page, the motor vehicle page, the voting page, photo history, the sheriff's office, agendas, and the search bar in our menu bar. The sheriff's office and agendas buttons do not link to any pages. Here on the home page we have a picture of Adams County Courthouse in the background. We have the announcements listed here. We have the county and the address here, a brief history of the courthouse, and then we have some department numbers. These are the department numbers that they felt were important to have listed on their home page. So I have put mine in a drop-down box. Here we go to motor vehicles so we can figure out how we can take the written driver's test. Here we see we can take the driver's test in the treasurer's office, and this is the address and the phone number. And this is when all these departments are open. For voting, we see the precincts. There are 5 precincts in Adams County, and these are what we need to have or be to legally vote in Adams County. If we don't know exactly which precinct our house is located in, we go to the voting precinct maps and are able to figure out which precinct our house is located in. In photo history, we are able to click on any of the pictures to go to the next page to look at the picture bigger and to give more information about it. We go to the search bar, and what word we have typed in or the phrase we have typed in would go under here in the search results, and then all the search results will go underneath that. Here in the mobile view of it, you see we have a picture of the courthouse still and what county we're in, a brief history of the county, announcements, and holiday closings. Here we have the department numbers as well, and the drop-down box takes you to that. Okay, now we go to motor vehicle. Here you're able to find where you're supposed to take the written driver's test. We go to voting. Once again, here are all the precincts, how you can legally vote in Adams County. There's the picture, and here's the link to the maps to figure out exactly where we're located to know what precinct we're in. We go here to the photo history page, and we just click on a picture, and it takes us to the next page that gives you a bigger view of the picture and a description underneath it. We can go here to the search box, and the words that you've searched for or the phrases will show here right under search results, and then all of the search results will appear underneath it. I hope you've enjoyed walking through my Adams County website page.